Hello everyone, I'm Junction. We're going to go to the Waterfalls. In this video, we're going to talk about Burkhart Canyon Falls and later on the Buckhorn Falls.
Let's see what this says. Somebody set a fire here. Congressional boundary. Closure area. Bobcat Fire closure. That's interesting. Yeah. Oh, I was wondering why does this thing seem so long? We took the wrong trail.
What?
We took the wrong trail?
Oh shoot.
No, here, let me show you.
Wrong trail?
I mean, we can do it.
Oh no.
Here. I was like, wait a minute.
Oh no.
What's wrong with this picture here? Where's the campground? Well, guess what? The campground's over here.
Oh shoot.
We're up here. and we're actually taking the longer way to get there.
Oh no, let's go back.
You want to go back?
Oh, thanks to Daddy.
Yeah, that's my fault. That's my
Watch
fault.
out.
Yeah, I fucked up. So the Buckhorn entrance, 500 feet. This is the one. I was like, oh crap. Did this one? I think it's this one. Oh, it's blocked. You see it? The gate is blocked. So yeah, you can't do it here.
The ground's here.
Oh, here. Well, it's
No,
closed
that's
here.
not
It is. That is.
Is this?
It is.
Oh wait.
Yeah, but okay. So those people walk down to the campground, and then the day use area is up there. They'll park over here. Go. Running out of daylight, so let's get moving. I know you're trying to throw something. So where's the T-rail? We'll go around that tree. Here, go left. Go left right here. Wait, why are you going that way? Go right. Yeah, it's pretty narrow, so that's why I was like, huh, it's easy to miss. Yeah, there used to be that you could drive this all the way to the Burkhart Trail. Well, I effed up by us losing an hour doing the Pacific Crest Trail for 1.5 miles unexpectedly, so that was not bueno. We also stopped at In-N-Out, so I was like, okay, it's yeah, I know, it's all piling on. Yeah, look how high up the black goes. That's how much it singed those trees. You see? But yeah, you can definitely see the damage from the Bobcat Fire for sure. And then what this also means, like this, look at that. The branch fell, right? When they get singed, then these things fall, and if it falls on you, you know, it's bad news. Now you can see fire is not good news, right? I mean, fire is necessary, but global warming related fires is not good news. Because eventually it gets so bad that trees cannot grow there anymore, where the areas that were once burned, they become grasslands or meadows. And if you don't have the trees, you don't have the ability to suck the oxygen, right? Or to suck the carbon dioxide and make oxygen out of it. So then that becomes makes global warming even worse. Yeah, but some native growth do it better, right? Yeah, I mean, it's all black here. It's actually kind of depressing to see.
They're not as big, obviously. They're like still saplings.
So is it, they're brittle, these things, right? Kind of like,
It's literally perfect.
yeah, it's like when you burn food, right?
Yeah.
When food gets jiao. Oh, nice, look at that. See, nice, the scenery opens up as you're descending towards the PCT. That was the trail that we were on earlier. Nate, look at this graffiti
Where?
right here on the railing.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Why put it on a railing?
They put it anywhere they can write, you know?
Man made off of
But then again, what's the difference between that and somebody cutting down trees and building buildings and stuff? You know, is that, I mean, right? It comes down to that, like, okay, well, while we agree that graffiti is not a good use of nature, what about trying to, you know, build towns and like cut down trees and all that stuff? Is that a good use of nature? You know, if you talk to certain people, they think it is. Right? Building dams. Yeah, but they don't care. They care about making money, and the way we make our money favors cutting trees down and building dams than it does preserving them. Right? We cheapen it by saying it's free.
finds the seeds, we plant them.
Yeah.
But that's already too late.
Yeah, it's a bit late for that. I mean, you have to wait 30 years for those seeds to become trees again, right?
Yeah.
That's 30 years without oxygen, or without the oxygen, the environmental benefits of those trees, right?
Yeah. Because they make
That's because the way we make our money is not consistent with the way of nature, which means the rules that we have are bad. They're flawed. And that's why you have as much injustice as you do. The wrong people are making money doing the wrong things. Until that problem is fixed, there's no reason anything's going to be fixed, because that is single-handedly the #1 reason why the environment is going to trash, right?
pancakes.
This used to be a sign. You see, it's a square. So there was a sign here. It's not a sign anymore. I think when we get to Cooper Canyon, it might have shadow on it, but we'll see. Maybe that's a good thing, because they will be looking against the sun, since the waterfall faces east. I can see that this trail feels narrower than before. Maybe. No, but what happens is when the soil is destabilized, then there's more mud, more dirt, and more rocks fall down.
Mom,
Hey, there's snow here. Check that out. Make sure you use your sticks for your 3rd and 4th legs, because it's going to be slippery there. Yeah, that part looks pretty beat up. Huh. There's definitely more water on Buckhorn Creek. I may have to do it in Chacos. We'll see. Yeah, this is it. That's the way to Buckhorn. Big rock on the left. Use that. There you go. All right. How is she going to There you go. You got it. You made it. Now how are you gonna give mommy the stick? All right. Oh, you made it.
Why you want hiking boots or trail runners? Those trail runners are awesome.
Hiking boots or trail runners. Trail runners are pretty grippy, but
Why you want hiking boots or trail runners? There's a boot.
they have grip. But the thing with hiking boots is hiking boots become buckets if water gets in from the top or it gets through a non-waterproof layer. Whereas hiking trail runners, they're supposed to have vents, and those vents will let the water out. So it's kind of a hack for that purpose. All right, here's the PCT. So you gotta go right. Go right. I think this one's more reasonable. We'll see. Yeah, it's more reasonable.
Yeah. This is the trail.
Okay, remember to use your sticks.
You can do this.
Yeah, you could do it. So here's where it starts getting steeper. But I think you could still manage it. Yeah, the very bottom part is where it's really steep. I think somebody started carving a little switchback here. If worse comes to worse, you have to go backwards. Tahia, you want to go backwards? It's easier to go backwards. Okay. All right, hang on to the rope. Be careful, you're going forward, so you're gonna fall on your back. If you go backwards, it's easier. Oh, no, she's got it, look. Look how she's doing it. See? She did it. Yeah, that tree looks like it wants to fall, huh? Yeah. It's leaning big time.
Whoa, whoa, get out of here. Something's falling.
That was a branch. I saw that. About quarter mile, half mile that way. Yeah, about. So it'll probably take 20-30 minutes each way. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to take the shoes off. Oh, it's cold. Should have brought neoprene socks. Very cold. Wow, a lot of mud flow here. Well, that mud flow is what's obscuring what was once an easier trail. Oh yeah. Look at the damage here. I don't like this, but especially as it's getting darker. It's like a puzzle. It looks like I'm getting scraped all over the place. I better keep this down. Keep this pan protecting. There's no point keeping it dry. Yeah, it's pretty deep over there. Looks like I have to climb this. Getting intense. Definitely gonna be dark when I get out. But I gotta finish the slog. Cramping. Still got a ways to go. Can't get too hasty, because if I am, that's when the accidents happen. Well, this one looks sketchy too, but at least it's got a ledge. Might be over there. I see it. All right. All right. Finally. I was wondering when I was gonna make it. It took an hour. It takes 2 hours. Okay. This much obstacles. I guess I'm the only one nuts enough to actually go to this waterfall. Nobody else is here. Kind of feels like a suicide mission, this is. Oh yeah, this is deep. Right here. It's a little bit deep, but I can do it. As long as I don't get my wallet wet. Did I get it wet? I just scraped the bottom. But ouch. Oh, that ice cold water definitely penetrated my wound. It sting. Wow, it's quite the obstacles to get through to get to the waterfall, even though it's in sight, but gotta go through all this. It's rough. I'm running out of time. It'll probably be about 7 o'clock when I get back to the trail. It'll be dark. Nobody will be worried. Oh yeah, pool. Okay. What do I do? Gotta wade. Yeah, there's a pool there. I'm gonna have to scramble to the right. I think I can do it. I just don't like the drop off there. Definitely way harder to do this hike now than it was when I last did this hike, and I think it was in 2016. Ay ay ay. That's a drop off. Ay ay ay. I'm gonna have to go around. Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. But this last obstacle is a doozy. I don't like slopes like this. This was like the other hike to Goat Falls. Yeah, better. Other side might be a little easier on the way back. This is not easy. Oh yeah, yeah. This is like narrow, like a narrow ledge. There it is. Finally at Buckhorn, but at what cost? the slope is getting harder and harder, steeper and steeper. When I go back, I definitely want to go back the other way. An hour in each direction for only a half mile. Quite the price to pay. Oh. Okay, where's the lid? Did I fucking lose the lid? Are you kidding me? I lost a lens hood? What? I lost the lens hood? No way. Oh shit. I lost the lens hood. Not good at all. Not good. Not only did I lose the lens hood, I lost the boot. Where the f did I lose it? I'm gonna have to find it. Okay, let's go. Gotta get the f out of here. I'm gonna have to retrace my steps and look, where did I lose the boot? Damn, dude. I know the lens hood is where a rock ledge is at. I know that. But the boot. Hey, where did I lose the boot? I can't shortcut my way back because I lost the boot. Damn it, dude. Yep. Yeah, I don't know if this was worth it. I don't know if this was really worth it. There it is. Oh, sweet. Yes. Okay, I found the boot. Woo. It's all wet, but all right. The boot is a little ruined, but yes. Oh yeah. All right. That's one thing recovered. Finding the lens hood will be like finding a needle in a haystack. Yeah, this is going to be hard to recover. Needle in the haystack is that. Ow, that was painful. Getting a lot of scrapes. Another foil balloon made its way down here. Ooh. Got jabbed everywhere. I hope that none of this is poison oak. It wouldn't surprise me if it was. There's the trail. Whew. That was intense. Back on the trail. All right. Woo! Damn, dude. All right, definitely out of water now. There's snow up there. Yep, going back to elevation. Wow. Time is it? For all intents and purposes, this shouldn't have been a successful hike. Bad detours, losing an hour, starting late. Boy, it's all compounded. At least we made it. Okay. What happened?
You got us so worried.
Oh.